So, ito yung an angle formed by two intersecting chords inside a circle. So, ito yung angle sa loob ng isang circle na nakakabuo ng triangle kung titignan natin. At ito yung finding an angle formed by two seconds, two tangents, secant or tangent that intersect outside the circle. So, ito yung mga angles na involve yung secant intersecting a circle in one point, and then yung tangent intersecting a circle into 2 points. Ayan. So, yung theta plus beta over 2, ayan. So, pinaglaruan natin yan. So, alam na natin yan, theta over beta over 2. So, may theta ka, may beta, i-divide mo lang sa 2. So, paano kapag hahanapin mo yung theta dun sa theta plus beta over 2? Pag theta ang hinahanap mo, ayan, x is equal to beta over 2. And then, pag beta naman, 2 times x minus theta, ayan. So, formula transformation lang yan. Depende kung ano yung given. No? Tsaka yung isa pa, no, yung x is equal to pi over 2. Paano pag nawawala yung theta? X is equal to theta over 2. Paano pag nawawala yung theta niya? So, theta is equal to 2x. So, yan. Ginagamit lang natin yung formula transformation. No? So, ibig sabihin, pinapractice lang natin na i-rearrange yung formula para makuha yung ibang given. Para makuha yung ibang sagot. At minsan kung ano yung given, pag pinormula transformation din, bumabalik din tayo dun sa naunang given. Which is yung makikita nyo rito. So, yun lang po.